Today I need to do some things I've kind of been putting off for a little bit. There's some football team flags that I need to make. I'm gonna make them on my CNC, Jeff. This is Jeff behind me. Say hi, Jeff. It's gonna take about an hour and 20 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just speed up the whole thing and you can get an idea of what's going on. There'll be some bit changes in there, things like that. So after Jeff is done running, there's gonna be some finishing steps, some cleaning up, things like that. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna do paint or stain on these, maybe a little of both, we'll see. But I'll try to include that also in the video. So thank you in advance and enjoy. Okay, so you just saw me burn in this, and actually looks pretty good on the camera. Anyway, so I burned that in. I'm actually going to flip it over, and I'm going to burn a little bit on the back side in the middle. Reason for that is because of the nature of this wood. Any wood, really, when it dries, it tends to cup, it tends to warp if it dries unevenly. And this is a single 1x12, so about 11¼ inches, and I trimmed it down a little bit, but you see the end grain on that. It's already starting to cup a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna burn in a center strip in the back there. And what that's gonna do is it's going to dry that section out, and it's gonna kind of bring it back to flat a little bit. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be better than if I just leave it alone. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back. What I need to do now actually is let this rest for a while. So I need to let the moisture kind of even out in the board again because I dried it with the fire, you know, burning it, torching it. It does that. So I need to let that even out again before I do any more staining or any more sanding or anything on it. So I actually have a few more of these to do. So I'm going to go set up the machine so I can do that some more and get Jeff working again. And I'll be back staining this stuff and finishing it up. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. My helper's here. Say hi, Charlie.
Hi.
I got all of these cut. You can see I've got them burned, they've cooled down, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of painting and staining. It's gonna be pretty minimal just in the logos. And then I'll finish. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so there's one. 4 more to go. I won't bore you with that. We'll do them and then we'll come back for finishing. All right, that's all done. I've got all of them stacked up right there. I had an extra one I needed to do. And now I need to get this mess cleaned up. So the next step is gonna be finishing. I'm probably gonna set up some sawhorses and I'll just spray with my big gun and be back to some finishing and then the final products. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching me do this. Hope you enjoyed the process, and thanks again for watching.